For this 2022 exhibition, Business France is supporting 58 companies on 3 main pavilions. The first one is ingredients, where we do have 16 companies exhibiting. The second one is the main one, equipment manufacturing parts, where we have 35 companies exhibiting. And the last one, Gulfhost, dedicated on hospitality equipment, where we do have 7 companies there. Companies are more than happy of this new edition of Gulfood manufacturing. It's quite successful. We already have 2 companies that have signed a very interesting contracts on the exhibition. So once again, an amazing exhibition, and companies are way more than happy to be here. Quick word on Business France. We are the trade commission of the French embassy. Our main objective is to support French companies to develop their economic relationship with the Middle East, and specifically in the UAE market.
Hi there, my name is Lola. I'm in charge for the export sales at Sonolys Textiles, a French family business. We are dedicated to the HoReCa business. We are doing handmade placemat, bread basket, aprons for all the HoReCa business. Everything is custom made. We are here at Gulfood to find new partners for increasing our business in the Middle East. This is a very great opportunity with Business France, and we are very happy to be here.